This is the letter Q. It makes the sound qu, like qu, qu, queen. Let's have a go at handwriting it. You go around her face, up to her crown, and down her arm. Let's try that one again, shall we? You go around her face, up to her crown, down her arm.